Hi everybody, I have had some questions on how to appropriately submit your week 1 assignment, which is due at the end of week 2 on Sunday by 11:59. So if you scroll down and you click on week 2, then you'll scroll down again where it says week 1 written assignment. Click here for Dropbox. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you should have saved your final draft to your computer or to the cloud storage, depending on which one you sent it to. Go ahead and click on Browse My Computer, and then wherever you stored it at, you can go ahead and click on that. Let's see if I can find a Word document. Okay, so if I click on this, it shows that I have attached Introduction to Healthcare links. All right, if this is the wrong document, you can come over here on Do Not Attach and click on that. It'll take it away, and you go back and find the right one. If it's in Browse Cloud Storage, you click on this. And for some reason, mine is not clicking. Click on OneDrive. And then you have to log in and you find your, so again, you just remember where you store. It's easier if you store it to your computer, if you're able to do that. Then once you've attached the document, go ahead and scroll down. Move me, and then hit submit down here in the corner, and that will submit it for proper grading. If you have any questions, please contact me by email. It is usually best. If you need to call me, then call me. All right, have a good day.